Okay, it's Sunday the 28th of August, so let's have a look at the Ftse from the previous week and go over what it was showing us, and then we'll take a look at what it's suggesting for the trading week ahead. Now, before I get into that, quickly, I have a couple of things to mention. First one being, at the end of September, start of October, likely, I'm going to start reviewing the Australian dollar, US dollar, also the Forex pair. It's going to be the exact same as what I do with the Ftse. It's going to be on the 5-minute time frame. There will likely be one video per week, review video, just like I do with the Ftse, and there will likely be an analysis video done at the weekend. The reason for that is quite simple. It's going to become part of the subscription service. I have a lot of feedback with people who would rather trade or would also like to trade a Forex pair, as well as the Ftse index. I believe it's mainly because of the trading hours, basically. You know, the Ftse is open at 8, closes at 4:30. Australian dollar, US dollar, Forex pair. Well, Forex is 24 hours, and it being Australian dollar, US dollar, you know, it's active all the way up till sort of 9-10 p.m. GMT. Okay, so apart from that, tomorrow it is a bank holiday, so there's no trading tomorrow. For me, what I'm going to do instead is post up the interview I carried out with psychologist Owen Fitzpatrick whilst I was in New York. There's some very good information in there. He goes quite in depth into emotional trading, so hopefully you guys find that interesting and also useful. Okay, so looking at the Ftse, what did we go over last week, and what we were looking for basically was a pullback down into these levels right here, which is exactly what we've seen. You can see the market's bounced once and it has bounced twice. So that's really job done with the pullback. Now, quickly, if we go on to this 5-minute time frame, this is Friday's price action. We closed here at 4:30, and then we've had this very strong sell. Now, the sell is profit taking, essentially. Going into the bank holiday, there was the chance of some profit taking, but this was a lot stronger than I was expecting. So for me, it's just giving a little bit of a clue that there's potentially more weakness in this market. So what are we looking at moving forward? Well, first of all, this pullback here that we've seen, we can see we've came into 50% retrace, all the way down to the 61.8% retrace. This is still very, very strong levels of support. As long as the market's above these levels, I'm still more than happy to look for the bullish sentiment and the buying opportunities. Let me just get rid of the fib. You can see over here, what we're bouncing off of is the swing highs here. Very strong levels. If we come down below there, so if there's no buying opportunities, or if the buying opportunities begin to fail and the market starts to break through, you know, the market really is coming down. Let's just mark in the next key levels. We've got a level right here, and then major support all the way down, and there's actually several levels here. I'm just doing this quickly. Okay, so whilst above this area, basically I'm looking for bullish bounces. If we start to break through, I'm expecting the market to fall down at least into the sort of 630 levels, which would be, you know, another 100, 115, 120 points, where we have further levels of support. Coming through this level right here, you know, the market's coming down into major areas of support, which would be, you know, sort of 6,500 levels is really where it begins. Down here, certainly excellent area to look for buy positions. That's really what I'm looking at moving forward now, guys. Really, you know, next week it's how do we react at these levels here? Do we continue to bounce off of it? If that's the case, oops. If that's the case, then this has been taken as a pullback on the uptrend, and traders are looking to continue this uptrend, and we will see further upside. If we start to break through this level, however, I'm expecting it back down into the 6630 levels at a minimum. Yeah, and potentially all the way down into the 6500 level, which really, this is where I would expect the market to start bouncing from once again, and quite significant bounces. It's very, very strong levels of support. Okay, guys, so hopefully you all enjoy your bank holiday. You've had a good weekend. I'm James Orr, and thank you.